Go crane.
Okay. Yeah. This YouTube. So YouTube and Instagram. Yeah, this is how the lifestyle it is. So we don't have much to offer for the system, the image. So yeah, this is how raw we come. Don't mind the skinny of it. But today, it's about the connect. Because in my Instagram I say everything is connected. You can go and check it out. Follow me on Instagram with the unknown cause of this unit. Oh yeah, so thank the character. The water is alive. They have the body and the mind, the soul. So we came as a friend here to just be into one, connect with it. And we seek for his powers, everything have a power, man, have a soul, the big man, did stop thinking the farmer thing. So, coming back from Babylon, this one here, we asking it to give us life, more us. So, yeah, this is how we do it. Because you have to command all the 4 elements. The wind, the fire, and water. Yes, this water we use here for that. You are fine. You want to feel it all over your body because cold right now, cold. But you want to feel it all over your body. Be cleansed, that thing, bad energy, man, catch it. Yeah, man.